Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am planning for the week of April the 17th. So today I'm using a llama kit by Revere Plans. I've had this one for quite some time. I am still doing a no spend 2023, and one of my rules for my no spend is to not purchase any new planning stickers until I have used everything that I have on hand. And I'm pretty sure that I'm going to get to the end of this year and still have stickers left. I have quite a few printable kits that I can pull from as well, but right now I'm still trying to use up the physical sticker kits that I purchased last year. So I was off work on Monday. I did a community post this morning to let everybody know why I've been kind of AWOL the last few days on YouTube. My little Chihuahua Chewie has been really sick. I actually had to rush him to the vet on Friday because you could tell he didn't feel well, and the doctor thought that he was having another flare up. He had pancreatitis back a few weeks ago, or maybe it's been a couple months now. I don't know. The days are just kind of running together, but he thought it was just another flare up, even though his blood work for like the pancreatitis, whatever levels they normally check for that, looked pretty good. He did notice that he appeared to be anemic, that his platelet count was low. The vet sent me home with some medicine for the pancreatitis on Friday, and we went home and started giving him the medicine. He didn't seem any better on Saturday, and by Sunday afternoon, he declined rapidly. I wasn't sure that he was going to make it. He was shaking, he was lethargic, his eyes were glassed over as if he was not seeing anything. It was really scary. We have, I think, 2 emergency vets here in the Little Rock area, and neither one of those emergency clinics were taking any new patients. They were solid booked. So I had no choice but to wait until I could get to my vet Monday morning. And Caroline and I didn't get a lot of sleep. We were really worried that he wasn't going to make it through the night. But luckily, we woke up yesterday morning and, he wasn't any better, but he was still alive. And that was, we were thankful for that. But we had kind of discussed and kind of made peace with the fact that we were probably going to have to put him down. We really didn't think he was going to make it. And it was just a really difficult morning for us. But I scooped him up the minute that the vet opened. We were at the doors, and the doc brought him back right away. And it wasn't until the afternoon that we found out that he was not producing, or his blood wasn't clotting. So the anemia that kind of showed up on the blood work on Friday was the cause of him declining so rapidly. And, once the doctor kind of explained to us what the condition was, it made sense, because it looked like the blood vessel in his eyes had bursted. I thought maybe he had a seizure or something. We just didn't catch it because his skin was like red tinted, and his little eyes were just, I don't know the right way to put it, but it looked like like maybe the blood vessels had bursted. Anyway, so the vet said, we still don't know why. And the vet said that we could still have some pretty serious issues. It could be cancer. But the vet did give us some steroids to give him. He gave him a shot. He was running a fever, so he also got some antibiotics. And we were able to bring him home yesterday. And this morning we woke up and he's definitely feeling a lot better. He was able to get down the stairs to go potty this morning. He couldn't get back up, so he still is requiring some help getting up and down the stairs. But he does seem like he is feeling better, which is a blessing because, we just love him so much. We love our fur babies in this house. They're not just our pets, they're our family members. And when they don't feel well, we definitely want to make sure that we do everything in our power to make sure that they feel better or that we give them at least the best chance possible. And so the vet said, that there, like I said, there could still be, it could be cancer. We just don't know, but the doctor didn't want to have us spend, money unnecessarily. He didn't want to, for us to go through that type of cost without trying, just some simple diagnostics and some, medication therapy to see if that would fix the issue. So that's kind of it. Chewie's laying down right next to me. I filmed this video. I was in a meeting, and now I'm just taking a break from work and doing this voiceover. And Chewie is not far from me. I'll try to put in some pictures on the right of him. But so this back to the planning. This was a really fun kit to work with. Like I said, I was off on Monday. I had to switch my on-call days, so I'm on-call Thursday instead this week. I have my yearly mammogram and girly stuff on Wednesday. Need to make sure that I take care of myself. Even though I've been super worried about him, I still have to, go to my doctor's appointments and go to work the rest of this week and all those things. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Erin Condren is launching their spring release of planners, and I have been binge watching the unboxing videos of people showing what the new planners look like. And I'm wondering, having a no-spend year is really tough, and I'm going to be in the Daily Duo until the end of this year, but I was eyeballing some of the new planners by Erin Condren, and I really like what is it? It's an A5 size, but it is a 6-ring binder, and they have it in the Daily Duo, but I don't know that I'm going to do another Daily Duo next year. I'm almost thinking about doing, a horizontal or a focus planner. And if that, by the end of the year, if that's still not speaking to me, I did see a video where a gal found that there's this new Happy Planner layout that is more task-based, and I really liked it. I'll see if I can find a picture of the layout and insert a picture over on the right-hand side for that so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But it looked like right up my alley. It would be, if I switched to a different planner, it would definitely mean that all of the stickers that I have, or a lot of them, probably wouldn't work. And so for that reason, I really need to think long and hard about what planner I select when, my no-buy is over. And I may just, wait until the spring launch of Erin Condren for 2024 and see what's being offered, and maybe do a Happy Planner in the meantime. But I like having the to-do list in the Daily Duo, but, that was the other thing. The Erin Condren, what is it? It's the ones with the times. I can't think, maybe that's the hourly, maybe. I don't know what the layout is, but it's a vertical hourly layout. And now the hourly layout has to-do lists at the bottom of each column. But essentially, I want to open up my planner and see a week at a glance. I like the Daily Duo, but having one page for every day is, hard to get an idea of what the whole week looks like. And so for that reason, I'm really wanting to switch to something that has, the week on 2 pages. And so if you have any suggestions as to what planners, might have that kind of layout, if you want to leave those down in the comments, I would love to hear. But I'm definitely, not leaning towards the Daily Duo after the no-buy is over. And so that's kind of, watching the release videos have been really fun. And I've got an itch for a new planner, but I can't buy one. So I have a lot of planner supplies to keep me busy for the next 8 months or so. But this was a really cute kit to plan with. I don't really have too much going on this week, just the usual meetings I have Monday through Friday, and then my afternoon meetings. No real plans for the weekend, so that's good because I have a lot of housework to get done. But I'm just going to flip through and show you how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye!